Not hitting 10 out of 10? Let's talk about aim. Aligning everything is the key to aim. Sight alignment and sight picture. We want to make an alignment between your eye, across the properly aligned gun, and straight to the target. How do we get there? We start by finding our eye dominance. Once you've identified your dominant eye, let's line up that dominant eye across the properly aligned gun and get you on target. To align the gun properly, we look for the front sight and the rear sight. The front sight is a single post, the rear sight is 2 posts. We want equal height and equal light. What that means is that we want the front post equal to the same height as the rear post, and we want it exactly between both rear posts. Once we've aligned the gun, we're going to look across the gun with our dominant eye, and we're going to find that target. Let's put the front sight right below that target. With practice, sight alignment can become second nature. Aim to connect your eye to the target across the properly aligned gun. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, follow us. If you have questions or comments, leave it below. Share us with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.